Hey, it's Albert here with ClickFunnels Support. All right, so you said that you were having issues with your background on your mobile. So I went through your funnel here. This goes for any funnel. So whichever one that you are working on, just go ahead and look at this. So if you look here, you see this tab here. So this says desktop only. Okay, so you're actually set up to where you're not allowing the background or any of these elements here to be visible on mobile. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is, so this is just above here. So this is the background section. So this is, as you can see, each section here separate. So you're going to have to come here, go here, and make sure everything here is set to all. Let's see where this is actually at here. All right, so this one you could see right here that it is set to desktop only. So you need to come in here and go ahead and select all, okay? And then go ahead and hit save. All right, and then let me see. So go throughout your entire funnel, and anywhere that you see this where it says desktop only, go ahead and make sure you change that. All right, that setting, and make sure you set it to all. That way it's visible on both desktop and mobile. All right, and then go ahead and make sure you hit save. So that's going to be your issue. What I would do is go ahead and reset all of that, okay? And then go ahead and go to your background image. Let me see. So you don't have one here. Interesting. Where did you put it? One thing to keep in mind is that whatever template that you choose for the funnel or the page, they may vary. Okay, so some of the backgrounds vary. Let me see here. Image here. Let me see here. All right, so you got your image here. Let me see. Okay, you added design. Now I'm not going to save anything. I just want to see what your images are. Okay, all right, so you got your backgrounds here. Okay. All right, so I would go through and make sure your backgrounds and your section elements here, your columns and all this, anywhere you see this desktop, just go ahead and go through and change the setting, and then make sure you save. I would even log completely out. Once you've done all of that and reset all the pages to where they are on mobile and basically set to all to where they're visible on mobile and desktop. Once you've done all that and saved it, I would log completely out of your ClickFunnels account and then back in. So basically what you're doing is you're wiping all of the data that's been running since you were logged in, okay? Whenever you log out and log back in, it resets the data cache, all right? Now, if you're still having issues, I would definitely go ahead and clear your browser data. I would do this anyways. Go ahead and clear your browsing data, all right? And then also I will send you a tutorial, a little video on how to clear your browsing data and your temporary files, all right? So it's just your computer's junk files that collect. It's the same type of thing as your browser, as it collects junk files and temporary data. Your computer does the same thing. So, all right. And then once you go through that whole process, go ahead and just retest your pages. All right. All right. Thanks.